And the race is on. TriStar from the outside is Ravishing Rafi. And moving up by the rally is Amarosa, Stout-Hearted, Sheila Princess. TriStar by Sam Tulangs, followed by Amarosa. Stout-Hearted is racing fourth. Running by Daral Tora Sura, Ravishing Rafi. Down on the inside, Sheila Princess, Big Time Bonjing. Entry number 5, Bioteron Silver Chocho. Entering the last 600, TriStar, followed by Star-Hearted. Ravishing Rafi is racing in third from the outside. Raj begging for this Amarosa, Torasura. Rounding the far turn, TriStar by a length and a half, Stout-Hearted. Ravishing Rafi is racing from the outside. Amarosa, last 450. Ravishing Rafi is now the leader by some 2 lengths. TriStar, Stout-Hearted, Amarosa as they race the final corner. Ravishing Rafi by some 2 lengths, followed by TriStar. Stout-Hearted is racing in third by Drell, and nearing the finish line, Ravishing Rafi by some 2 lengths. Stout-Hearted in second, and running third, Amarosa, and nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker from the stable of Mr. Roland Lim, and this one is Ravishing Rafi. Second, close, Amarosa, Stout-Hearted, Sheila Princess, Torasura, Yotero, TriStar, Silver Chocho, and Big Time Bonji.